So that's why we provide the ly axis. Ly value means ly value to show the position of GERD at which it restrains its movement about y-axis. Okay, point will be clear about y-axis. Now the another point is why will provide the value with respect to z-axis. Okay, the z-axis of this column is along its flanges. This is z-axis. Okay, for z-axis means the column will be, this is z-axis, the column will be as per z-axis, the column will be moved in such fashion. Okay, you can see it. The column will be moved in such direction, but when column will be moved about z-axis, then GERD will not act as the effective member because it does not take compression, and when member does not take compression, we cannot call the member is effective in taking a load. Okay, so this GERD does not taking compression when column will be moved in such like that fashion. The GERD will does not take compression. It means the GERD does not provide support or restrain the moment about z-axis. Okay, or we can provide pipe in the pipe between this column. So this pipe does not provide the restrain the moment about z-axis. So the question is, which member is provided to restrain the moment about z-axis of the member? So the answer here it is. We can copy another column and making a beam between this column and giving some property, whatever you wanted to given it to be. Okay, now again we providing moment about z-axis to this column, and we see the tilting of this column under z-axis moment. Okay friends, so due to z-axis moment, the column will be tilted in such manner. It means, so you can see which member takes compression. This member. Okay, we can assume this member or this act as beam. We call it as it act as a mezzanine beam. Okay, so mezzanine beam, what do here? Mezzanine beam give restraint to the column from the z-axis moment. Okay, by taking compression. You can see it is the compression will be happening in this mezzanine beam, and it giving restraint to the z-axis moment to the column. That's why we're breaking the LZ at the point of where mezzanine beam is connected to the column, because it's taking all the moment in such manner. Okay, so these are the simple point I can explain in this lecture, and I am explaining in this lecture is as per American code, and another lecture will be coming soon on the Indian design code parameter. Okay, so bye bye, stay safe, stay happy and stay healthy. Okay, bye.